This table was given to me by someone whose wife is a hoarder. Good day. I am so excited to have you here with me. Thank you for watching. I'm excited. We're gonna make over this table. It is old, vintage, it's been outside. It has seen better days. Next projects coming up are those. All of this stuff was literally outside. I brought it home. It's been outside on my back porch, you know, covered. And I was like, we've got to get this going. And I got inspired because the new DIY paint colors are coming out. At this point, I can't even tell anybody what the colors are because the launch hasn't happened yet. But by the time you see this, it's there. You can buy the products on my website, lisaboondesigns.com. The link is in the descriptions, or use the QR code right here. We got to clean this up. We got to get it ready for paint, and I can't wait. It's going to be a fast turnaround because the cottage colors are a one-step paint. So let's see what we can do. I think this is going to be a bleeder since it's been outside, and there might be some mold on it, and it smells musty. So this one's going to be fun. Blue Dawn, vinegar, and baking soda. When you're cleaning, that's when you get to know the peaks, right? So you can see what needs to be repaired. I didn't notice that this needs some repair work here. Once you paint it, any separation is going to stand out. So you definitely want to put Bondo or wood putty in those spots, caulking, or however you need to fix it before you paint. This finish is feeling a little bit, so I'm probably going to sand this down. I'm not feeling it, so we're gonna change it up. It's only one coat, and it's not a full coat, but I'm just not feeling that for this table. So I'm actually gonna play it safe. I'm gonna go with Provencial, but I'm gonna use Plum inside the drawers and inside of the, where it hinges. Just add a little pop of color, and I think that'll be really good. So let's go. All right, it's day 2. It's pretty chilly in here in Kentucky, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and put a second coat. Actually, I kind of did a second coat yesterday, but there's some spots where it just needs a little bit more love, and the color really darkened up. I was a little bit worried yesterday. It was a little bit bright, but cottage color dries darker. And I still have to get used to that because I'm so used to the original clay-based formula. But this paint is covering really, really well. It's doing a great job. It looks super good. And what's great is that you don't have to seal it if you don't want to. If you want to add wax because you want that feel, if you want extra protection, if you're going to be spilling a lot of stuff on there, you know, that's something that you can look at, but you don't have to. My husband came and looked at it and he does not love the purple. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm doing a second coat here. I touched up the drawers. He helped me to take the hardware off because it was really hard for me, so that I can paint that really well. And then that's it. It's gonna be done. So I'm using the heat gun to speed it up because I want to get it out on the floor so I can start working on the chairs. So let me know in the comments what you think about these new colors. I feel like that hardware really made it come together. Of course you could have left it out, but then I was like, I should have painted it. So I pulled out the new Anvil color. It's the black by Cottage Color, and it really just made a huge difference. So let's look at the before. And now let's look at the after. I feel like it really came together. It is looking sharp, the little pop of color. Let me know what you think about that pop of color. My husband still was not sold on it, but I love purple and I think somebody else would too. And it's just on the inside. It's not like it's gonna be in your face if you're not a big purple lover, but I think it looks really, really good. I'm looking forward to your comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have an incredibly blessed day. Ciao.